everybody, Heather from Pickin here. I have a special treat for you guys since it's Thanksgiving Day. And so listen carefully. We're going to talk about some awesome things that are available to you. All right, here I am standing in front of my beautiful pallets, which you guys love. And I wanted to say a huge thank you to all you guys. The reason that we're able to run our business is because you guys support us. And so as a huge thank you, I wanted to give you a special Thanksgiving promo code. So anything on hookedonpickin.com is going to be 20% off to you guys today by using the promo code THANKS. All you have to do is right before you check out, use the promo code THANKS. Don't forget that because you won't get the discount if you don't put it in there. But I wanted to do a huge thank you. Also, some of you are my patrons, which means you support me on a monthly basis for various different amounts. If you'd like to become a patron, you can always click the link down in the description below and support my channel by becoming a monthly subscriber where you get extra perks when it comes to the fire sale and things like that. But patrons, you should have already received an instant message from me from your patron page that gives you an additional 10% off. So you're going to get 30% off hookedonpickin.com today just for being a patron. So you should have already received that, and it's for Thanksgiving Day only. And so a big shout out to my patrons, but of course all of you are amazing. And we have so many awesome things. All of these items should already be on hookedonpickin.com right now, so you can buy all of those items already. And then, of course, you guys are amazing on the fire sales. We have so much fun. And somebody told me the other day, one of you guys said, we have an amazing fire sale community. And that's what it truly is. We have a Hooked on Pickin community that is amazing. And my thank you to you guys is the promo code THANKS. Available only on Thanksgiving Day. You'll get 20% off the entire hookedonpickin.com store. That means toys, that means health and beauty, home decor, and yes, even some of my resellers helps. So you can even get 20% off a consultation phone call. So anything on hookedonpickin.com is currently now 20% off by using that promo code THANKS. And because you watched this video and got the promo code. So thank you so much. Paul and I are so blessed to have you guys in our lives. And you guys are an amazing, positive, supportive community for us and our business. And we just want to say thank you back to you guys by giving you the promo code. And of course, remember in the end, Jesus wins.
And I want to thank God for my beautiful wife. Isn't she amazing, everybody? God has truly blessed me with Heather. 100%. Biggest blessing of my entire life, besides my salvation, is my wife, Heather.
Yep.
She is amazing. Thank God for Heather.
Okay, now that I've awkwardly stood here while he's complimenting me, we'll once again say, and remember in the end, Jesus wins. If you love the content that I give, you can support me on Patreon. Just follow the link in the description below, and I will offer you lots of exclusive things. You can be in the Hooked on Pickin Coffee Club, have your Naven Lights, be in the Hooked on Pickin Reseller Club, or the Reseller Pro Club. You get different perks for each club. So if you'd like to support me in my channel, please head on over to my Patreon account and start supporting. Thanks. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.